This is A3 side. Max printing area is 30 by 40. Single head. This is our double flatten DTG printer. Later, our engineer will start printing. Wait a minute. This is our single flatten DTG printer. Our new model. Different with that one is speed. Max printing area is 40 by 50. You can see. In the computer with our printer together, we will send to you. Okay, now we will start printing.
是在电脑的啊，插 U 盘。这里面还有键盘。
White ink and CMYK ink printing one pass. You can see printing on black t-shirt. Printing quality is very good. I do. Friends, any question you can leave message here. Thanks, Stu.拿下来这套，把这个拿下来这套没事，先拿吧，往下拿吧。When this one finished, you can do the color fastening fixed on the t-shirt. And now, at the same time, the other flatten start printing. Use the heat press machine or oven to do the color fix on the t-shirt. We use the DuPont ink, so the print quality for color fastening is very good. So no worry about the washing. This printer have the wet ink circulation system, so no worry about the wet ink clogging or the print head. And every printer have the inner computer. You can再放上一件。
刚没打了，
找块布放上就行。During printing, as this flatten, you can put the T-shirt on this one, and one by one, that will save many more time for you. You can see during this printing on this one, that's finished. Very quick. Let's see the heat press for color fastening. "40 seconds, 160 degree here." I know many friends like this machine because it's beautiful and stable. So anyone interested in this printer can send to me message. Till later, I will reply you for the details. No worry about that. Now, it's finished.你把那个烫了，没事。没事。
放白的，放白的。
Yes, later I will show you. Wait a minute, Mr. Ju. 换个白的打一下试。
啊？
换个白的。有没有带白的裁片？
有。
啊，拿一个给他打一个。Joe, wait a minute, please. Later I will show you for wet T-shirt printing.你不打白啊？
我知道，白帽刮壁就是。
啊。张鹏，来。
打印完后还有再那个吧？我刮壁白沫他不打，也是要匹配出错。我不刮壁白沫他打。
别关键时刻掉链子。
有病啊！那还能打2遍吗？人家这个图你怎么打呀？
换个图。
这里面都没有打彩那个的，都没有做。
没有做吗？
我看看这个行不行？啊，这个应该还勉强吧。
Okay.
Okay.
Start printing on wet T-shirt. Just now, Mr. Ju told me he wants to see the wet T-shirt printing. So now, the check. This flatten is the A3 side. Max printing area is 30 by 40 cm. If you need, we can change bigger one. 40 by 50 cm. My pleasure, Duke. CMYK white t-shirt, no problem. It's good. So no worry about the printing quality. We use the best ink. You can check the black t-shirt. The white. How do you think, Miss Jill? Thanks.
什么时候到的？前天就到的。挺好的，上面那一块了。好了。
This one is a single flatten, fast speed. Later I will show you for this one. 不到了。
你个二逼昨天什么时候给你发的信息啊？
可以了。
我都没有上那个，我回去都睡觉了，我哪里有看到？
那你要是上从中午睡到夜里，你忽悠我。
是啊，我都没上班了，我都没有当那个微信，打了没有啊？
有人说一般的几瓶就可以不用来的。
啊
Yes, Miss Joe. .是另外一张图吧？是那个狗是不是？
变色龙。
变色龙啊。Same printing quality. Only one difference is this one is single flatten, that one is double flatten. That one. Print head is same.
有粉丝没？
If friends want to know some other pictures printing quality, I had post on my Facebook. You can check my Facebook page. Same printing quality. This is our boss. This afternoon we will close because today is the last day. This exhibition, many foreign customers come to visit our booth, and feedback is very good.
他没有说哪个店，他说你只要把这个打开10个都可以。
So if friends miss the double flatten printing, you can check my video or leave message to me. I will send to you. Anyone have a question about our printer? You can leave message to me. I will reply you. Yes, Miss Ju. We supply the ink, printer, heat press machine, complete resolution. For different customer, we will supply the different flatten. This one is the A3 side. For our customer, we can change the flatten 40 by 50 cm. Bigger one. For details, Mr. Ju, I will send to you a message later. Okay, it's finished. Very fast and the printing quality.
只用一个平台打
You can see.
那才行，它不能
Very
不能
nice.
重复打。
为什么要重复了？
在电脑这边操作，然后
Thanks for our friends.
这也不行啊。
Epson print hat. Thanks for visiting. It's over. Any question or any friend want to know more about our printer, please leave message to me. We have other model, but didn't bring here. Thanks. Bye.